I get a radio check.
10-2 driver, you're working.
My story, huh? Take a ride. Come on, everything is a-okay when you're riding with Jay.
Alrighty, good morning guys. We are leaving here. It was kind of a bad idea to stop at the Loves. Yeah, I don't know how to feel about it. We got here last night and they were like, our restrooms are closed, and I was like, bro, what in the hell? They're like, yeah, the restrooms won't be back till midnight. There's a water main that broke, so, and like, mind you, bro, I didn't use the bathroom all day today, and so I was like, oh my goodness. And like, that meant I couldn't even pee or go number 2 there. So I like literally, I should have just like started driving elsewhere last night, but I needed to get a shower. That didn't happen. I didn't get to use the bathroom, so I woke up this morning and got to go in, and I'll just say, backing in here, I did not record that. It was so freaking stressful, dude. So tight. And I had to like back it next to a long-nosed Pete. He wasn't there this morning. He already rolled out, but good thing we're going the other direction. Damn. I need to get more of those windshield wipes, because when I bought this truck, this window was already glossy like that, bro. So I gotta clean that. Like night driving and driving during the day. Oh, it's gonna be fun getting out of here. Actually, I'm just gonna go. Oh my god. People are so impatient, bro. So impatient. I gotta shut these lights off. I think I got all of them on. But anyways, yeah, we got 32 miles to go to our pickup, and then we gotta go to Omaha, Nebraska. So that'll be pretty exciting. We are just down the road here. We could have made the right-hand turn there, but we need to make it at the next one. I think up at the light, yeah. Oh, this is gonna be gonna be kind of fun, I think. Just stay out this way. Oh, easy, easy, easy. And then we need to turn in right here. And then it should, oh, we're hauling forklifts, I think. It should be up here. Down this way. Oh my gosh, this is steep. 3 people came up and told me that door right there, and I'm just like, bro, I get it. Like, someone already told me. I wish there was lines though. There's not. Okay. Actually, we need to just go up more. Cutting it short here. And left. Might just be able to straight back it from here, or sort of. I can kind of see the line, barely. Alright, we need to travel it over and more. We need to shift it right. I think we're just getting forklifts, bro. probably is good enough, honestly. I'm just gonna see. I hate these small docks, bro. Alright guys, so we got loaded. We're gonna have to, actually, let me look. I need to do this before I start rolling. I need to pinpoint a truck stop, not in Atlanta, outside of Atlanta. There we go. There's a Love's in Cartersville. I'm gonna make sure that they have a scale. They have a scale. We're gonna scale there. It's 36,000. We're probably fine. I think we're fine because we got 47 pounds up front. I'd only be concerned if it was like less. I know it's legal, but 36,000, I gotta weigh it, so that's what we're gonna go do. But we're good to roll out. We also need to buy some seals. We don't have any seals in the truck like we did at CFI, but this one did not come with any seals. And yeah, I don't know. I mean, it's gonna be like, okay, we're hauling like machinery that weighs like 9,000 pounds a piece, so like someone most likely couldn't unload that even if they wanted. But I still don't want somebody opening the back door without me knowing and like messing with stuff back there, like unplugging wires. So then when I get, you know, just, I don't want anybody tampering with the load, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, but anyways, we're getting ready to go here. Oh yeah, we're heavy. We're not like heavy, but we're heavy. We're not empty anymore, that's for sure. This isn't Kansas anymore. Let's get the AC going. It's a little hot. Come on, FedEx, you can turn right on red, bro. Oh, he's hazmat, bro. I'd be really careful with whatever he's hauling. Dangerous and flammable. Sounds like gasoline. So whenever you have like a turn like this, you just really want to get as close to this curb here without touching it. And then you can, I don't know how well you guys can see it. I'll probably edit it so you guys can see. But you watch your trailer tandem, and now I can just stay in this lane because I have all that room. So you just got to watch the tires with the curb to try to not come out too far, but you want to get it close enough to where like you're not gonna, you want to make sure you're not gonna clip the curb. And so like the biggest thing you can do in a turn like that is look a couple times left, make sure you have plenty of time, and then just watch it as you make your turn, and that's how you do it. But it's different because the Kenworth, I could see my trailer. I guess I could probably angle that top mirror down a little bit, but in the Kenworth I could easily see, let me get on my speedometer, I could easily see the trailer tires. I'm sorry the window's cracked, it's just hot right now and I'm just trying to get some wind blowing through instead of like having the AC like super loud, but I guess the wind's probably just as loud. Use our engine brake here. That's a nice high school, bro. Is that a high school? Maybe. So now we're making another right. We're getting back on 985 southbound, and then we're gonna take the it's either 285 or 265 around Atlanta bypass, and then I'll be cutting it up to 65 north, and then I'll just be going back the same way I came up until I get to Indianapolis. And then instead of actually, I don't even think I'll get to Indianapolis. I think I'll head west before, probably on 70, Interstate 70. And then we should be done pretty early today. It's 8 a.m., but it's actually 7 a.m. Central Time. So yeah, like drive like 580 miles today. And then tomorrow I'll have like 500 or if I drive 580 today, 1,000. So I have 450 to drive tomorrow. And then I'll shut down and do a 34. But I'll probably wake up honestly around like 4 a.m. and roll out tomorrow. Because I mean, heck, today I woke up at 5 a.m. So if I wake up at 4, I can get to Omaha sooner and park at a Love's or whatever. And then it'd be closer to the delivery Monday morning. And I found out, originally it was supposed to deliver at 7:30 according to the information on the, I don't even know what you want to call it. Bill of, or the dispatching tablet thing. I don't even know the name. Okay, it's called Open Row, but I don't know what it's actually like called like across the standard. But it said 7:30, but I called today just to confirm that the dock that I was going to is the correct one that I saw on maps, and he's like, oh yeah, that's it. But he's like, we don't unload till 8:30, and I was like, okay. So, and then it delivers Monday. Tuesday we're supposed to be in Denver, Colorado. So that is going to be interesting, because from Omaha to Denver is literally a ton of miles. Like, not a ton, but it's like 550 something or whatever. You guys see that little kid that was sitting in the back seat unbuckled? He waved to me. I didn't even notice. I just saw him look at me. I didn't know he's waving. Alright. Watching it. It's good. And we're going. And then we got to go down a couple miles, 2.7 miles, make a right, and then get on 985. Well, I ended it, but it looks like we're getting a different view of the high. Dude, this is a... I wonder how many students go to Buford High School here in Georgia, bro. Holy crap, dude. This is like a massive school, bro. Oh my goodness. I've never seen a school so big, I don't think. That is ridiculous, bro. Bro. I know you guys love it when I say bro. You're always making fun of me, bro. Yeah, there's probably like 1,000 students in each class here. It's crazy though. They loaded it and then they put like wood blocks to like chalk the wheels. And I was like standing inside watching him, because he was like, come in, sign the papers. I was like, all right, sweet, we're good to go. And he's like, they just got to nail the wood to the floor. And I was like, okay, I bet. And they were all like training, so they were figuring out how to use a nail gun. It's kind of funny. So we made it here to this TA. We were gonna stop. Oh, I need a scale, I forgot. Come on, driver, bring it on. Can you go? I'm giving you all time of the room. So we got a scale. I guess the scale's right here, so that works out perfect. I almost forgot. And then we're gonna go in and use the bathroom, get some lunch, get some seals, and then we'll be back out on the road.
I get a radio check.
10-2, driver, you're working.
I appreciate it. Any of you guys out there looking or interested, I got a Turbo 29 Classic I was trying to get rid of cheap. I take $50 for it. If anybody's looking for a spare radio, it's practically brand new.
Alright guys, so we stopped at this TA and we got weighed, and we were close, but we are under. So 33.7 on the trailer axle, and like 31 on the drive, no, like 29 on the drives. So you know, we're leaving here. We went inside, they had Popeyes, so of course we
I'll just take $50 for it.
So obviously we went and had Popeyes, but there's a CB guy inside, and I was gonna talk to him and see how much, but he had like a sign that was like, you know, CB's not picked up within 90 days will be sold to cover cost. And it was some other guy just chit-chatting with him, asking about a CB radio that he had. So I think when I go on home time or something, maybe when I get to Kansas City, I'll find someone to tune it, peek and tune it there, and then go from there. Have my parents go pick it up or something while I'm out on the road. That way I can get better range. And then I'm gonna have, because I gotta have GP install it, so I'm gonna have GP, I'm gonna buy, after like another 2 checks, I'm gonna get a better antenna. This is just a stock antenna, but it works better than the Kenworth trucks, but they got like a mirror mount that, and just get a $50 antenna. So that's the game plan. But we're getting back on 75 north, I think. Was it 75? I think it is 75. And then we got 432 miles left to cover today, so hopefully we can knock that out straight. It says it takes 6 hours and 50 minutes. Obviously we got to go through Nashville and these like steep hills in between here and there, so we'll see how it goes. We are like 184 miles away from our Loves we're stopping at for the night, and then tomorrow we'll have 520 miles to cover. But one of the guys I met at CFI, like very early on, that like recognized me from my YouTube channel, his name's Richard, and I gave him my phone number so he could text me the photo of when he ran into me, and because we took it on his phone and whatnot. But he was like, hey, guess what I just saw? And I was like, what? And apparently Lucy's sitting in Joplin now, and he's trying to get the truck. So he said if he gets Lucy, he's gonna have him put Lucy on the side of the truck for the name. So he's been at CFI for I think 9 months, so Yeah, and we'll see how long he stays there, but it'd be kind of cool just to have Lucy have her actual name on the side. I never thought of that, but we're just driving through Kentucky right now. You know, we've been through Georgia, Tennessee, now Kentucky, and we're going up to Illinois. Stopping Illinois for the night. Illinois for the night. And then tomorrow we'll cross through Missouri, up through Iowa, into Nebraska for our delivery Monday morning, and get these machines unloaded and head over to Denver. So we'll see you guys here in about 3 hours when we're getting parked for the night, and Jay gets to have Bojangles. We have Popeyes for lunch and Bojangles for dinner. Covered 540 miles today. We're about to stop at Jay's Favorite Loves here in America. It's in Mount Vernon, Illinois, and it's got a Bojangles, and it's like a brand new Loves. And last time I came here, I think it was like 9 o'clock and the lot was like filled, but there's plenty of parking here today. I don't know why it was so packed that one day I came here, but it was ridiculous. Anyways, we're gonna pull in here and grab a shower tonight, go get some Bojangles since we have Popeyes for lunch. And yeah, you gotta have Bojangles if you had Popeyes for lunch, right? So we're gonna take one of these spots over here on the easy way, one of the easy way spots, probably next to this red Volvo here. Kind of do like a straight back kind of thing. All right, cut it hard. Oh, we're gonna go next to this T680 here. Alright, never mind. We're going next to the Volvo. We set it up perfect for that kind of whatever. Hopefully nobody's coming from that other side. There we go. We might have to stick out a little bit further because of that stuff back there. We'll get out and look just to make sure. But make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe for future content. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Come on, everything is a-okay when you're riding with Jay. Keep those wheels turning and we do this every day. Backing up a trailer, look at all the roads I've driven. Come and ride with me, yeah, let me show you how I'm living. Come on.